Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Think like a proton and stay positive. Let's begin. Fourth salt of this chapter is washing soda. Common name is the washing soda. Chemical formula is Na2CO3 10 molecules of water. Means its chemical name is sodium carbonate deca hydrate. Deca means 10 molecules of water. Hydrate means water. Washing soda, how it is prepared? In the preparation of washing soda, generally 3 steps are involved. 3 steps are involved. It is up to you. You have to learn, either you have to learn 3 steps or if you want to learn in 1 step. Now, first step, which is involved in the formation of washing soda. First step is relating to the preparation of a baking soda, in which barium solution is used. In barium solution, ammonia is added along with carbon dioxide gas, and it will lead to produce baking soda, that is a sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. This is a step 1. Second step. In second step, this sodium carbonate is heated to produce sodium bicarbonate is heated to produce sodium carbonate plus carbon dioxide gas and water. After that, in third step, this sodium carbonate is mixed with 10 molecules of water to give rise a sodium carbonate decahydrate. Last equation is important equation. It is up to you that you have to learn only a last step of equation, or if you want to learn in a detail, then learn all 3 steps that are involved in the preparation of a washing soda. Now, properties of washing soda. Before we discuss the properties of washing soda, let me tell you what is the meaning of anhydrous sodium carbonate. Anhydrous means which does not contain water. It means no water is present. No water is present in anhydrous. Now we discuss with the properties. First property, washing soda is transparent and crystalline solid. Crystalline means which is present in a crystal forms. Crystal forms in which atoms, molecules are highly arranged, highly arranged to give a definite shape to an object. Second one is a soluble in water. Washing soda can easily dissolve in a water, so that's why its nature is soluble. It means they have a solubility in water. Last property, washing soda is alkaline in nature. You know very well what is the meaning of alkaline. Alkaline means a base which dissolve in a water and have a cleansing property. Cleansing, it means it can easily remove dirt from clothes, the earth from cloth, so they have a cleansing property. Now uses of washing soda. Washing soda is used mainly in soaps, washing powders, etc. in these industries. It is because washing soda have cleaning property. That's why it is used in manufacturing of soaps and washing powder. Second use, washing soda is also used to remove permanent hardness of water. What is the meaning of a hardness? Hardness means it defines the hard water. Hard water means which contain large number of magnesium and calcium ions, and these ions will not allow to soap to form froth. It means hard water does not form froth with a soap, and washing soda used to remove that hardness of water. It means detergent can easily form froth with a hard water. Third property, manufacturing of paints and glass, etc. Washing soda is also used in manufacturing of lots of paints, dyes, and in glass industries, etc. It is also used in manufacturing of paper industries. Understand? Let me discuss some questions from topic of washing soda. What type of question may be asked in the exam? First question, write the chemical name and chemical formula of washing soda. What is its chemical name? Chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Chemical formula is Na2CO3 10H2O. Second part of this question, how is it obtained from NaCl? Give equation for the reaction. In this part, you have to write down the chemical equations which we discussed in previous topic. Complete 3 steps. Next question, why is it called a basic salt? Give its any one use. Why it is called a basic salt? It is called basic salt because it is easily dissolved in water and can also give sodium hydroxide. What is its use? So washing soda is used as a cleaning agent in paper industry, glass industry, etc. I hope you understand this topic. We'll continue in next video. See you soon.